Hello guys, welcome to Eve JC Johnson. So today I'm going to make a nice little whole chicken with some vegetables. Unfortunately, I lost some footage, like the way I was marinated when I was marinated and washing the meat. I thought I pressed record, but I couldn't find it. I don't know why. So now some I am basically gonna do everything in a not microwave, in an air fryer. So I won't even like use the oven or the stove. Both of these, like my chicken and my vegetables, will be in the air fryer. So what I make my own season. So you can make your whatever season you want. Usually this season it's like some Haitian season in there, and then I put some turmeric and also sazon, garlic, all the good stuff. Like, and the if you don't know what's in the kitchen seasoning, you can like Google it. You will find it. I believe I put one video that when I was making some seasoning. So anyway, so what I do, I marinate my vegetables. You can marinate to whatever season you want, you prefer to marinate it with. You can, or you could just put like salt and pepper and olive oil. That's it. I did add some olive oil with the seasoning, so if you see it kind of look oily, so I know some of my vegetables, they will, so I have to cover it. If you want it to be juicy, not too dry, cover it halfway while you baking it, so it would keep the moisture, and even some of the vegetable will, um stay moist. And then when it's almost done, you can uncover it. So you will see me do that. So what I do, I cover it with some aluminum foil. So let me say it for my people now. So kounye nou wè, mwen son ti viande mwen wè al fè poul, mwen fon poul an ke, e pi ma fel nan air fryer. Mwen komanse avèk vegetab yo, mwen kouvril se pou l pa tro dry, pou l pa tro boule. Lèl preske cuit, mwen retire li. So, mwen retire aluminium nan, e pi mwen kite l fin cuit pou l kapab pran koule, set fwa si. Kounye yan, map gadel, gede pa fwa ka just retire l pou ka virel. You can just turn it around so you make sure everything cook evenly. So, that's what I'm doing right now. Map vireli pou ke yo kapab cuit. Parfois, an le a kon cuit, an ba ba cuit, ok? So, m fin retire moso aluminium nan m dekite yan, mwen remete loko ka gade we yo preske cuit. Kounye yan, mwen mette l bak nan air fryer. Kounye yan, apre sa, li fini, mwen retire l. Now, I'm removing it, as you can see. Basically, I will put it in a plate. Ok, nap gade nou wè, map mette li nan plat, ok? But an bali genyen ti l'huile or oil, whatever res, map pran mem sa, ok? Mwen bral mette viande poul lan tou. Now I'm gonna start with the chicken. But before I do that, I'm gonna do the garnish, some vegetables, and I will eat them as well. Mwen ap mette quelques vegetables avant mwen mette poul la. Men ap manje tout vegetable yo mwen mette, hein? Okay? So let's see if the chicken is ready. Okay, the chicken is ready. Poul lan bon kounye, nou ap retirel. Kounye, nou bral mettel poul lan nan kote nou te range pou li. We just like place the chicken in the middle, or you could do whatever you want. This is the onions. I did also add some onions inside, and I apologize I did not show you the chicken. I was moving so fast. I thought I pressed record. For some reason I couldn't find that part, So anyway, guys, so it's basically regular. We just wash the chicken, you dry it, and then after that you marinate it. That was the simple way I did it. So this is the vegetables, and I also add some of the chicken juice as well. I didn't show that part. Mwen te vide kelke dlo nan chicken nan te rete a nan vegetable. I mean, when you do that, you have to make sure the chicken is fully cooked, okay? So you don't get yourself sick. Len a vide dlo chicken nan lel fin cuit. Nou pa vide la van cuit paske nou ka malade. All right, so I'm gonna add some more vegetables. I love like fresh vegetables, and I don't mind eating them like that. If I'm in the garden, I'll like just like eat just vegetables, like raw vegetables. I don't mind. Mette plus concombre la dani, ou ka mette whatever if you want. You could add tomatoes, ou ka mette n'importe sa ou vle. You can put whatever you want. So yes, that's like a simple. Somebody did ask me, um, like what can you make in the air fryer? Like you can make almost everything in the air fryer, guys. So I'm like, even if you're in a hotel, like you can even have this meal like without like needing a stove or a pot or whatever. So you just like have that meat marinated and whatever. So I did have some homemade barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna like drizzle some in the chicken. And what I like about the chicken, the outside it's crispy, but the inside is very juicy. So these like some of the onions that I put in the inside. So like you could, if you don't want the barbecue sauce, you don't have to, because it's very flavorful. Super vle barbecue sauce to ba bezwen metel. It's not a barbecue chicken, so it's like, uh, you know, so it's a roasted chicken. So c'est pas son pour griller, li pas on barbecue per se, but if you want to add extra sauce, you could add whatever sauce you want, to be honest. So, si nou ta bezwen mette sauce, nou ka mette n'importe sauce nou vle. Moi-même, moi, te choisi pour mettre barbecue sauce, ok? But barbecue sauce, ça, c'est homemade li. Il est vraiment goût, il gon ti piment la dan. Il est vraiment goût avec un petit garlic. So, kon ya ame manje, hein? Ça, c'est pas pour moi. Ma bay met l'huile. Et puis, parce que moi, I like the ring part. This is like, and then, I know I don't want dressing in mine, but I'm just gonna put dressing for the other person. So, when I said the other persons, I meant my husband sometime. So, anyway, so this is the chicken. As you could see, it's very juicy. Mais chicken na, li vraiment pas sèche. This is the breast. I'm showing you the breast because the breast, usually that's the part that's super dry. And you could see how juicy this chicken is. And one of the secret is because I add a lot of vegetables inside of it, and while I was cooking it, and so, and then I covered it. I didn't let it cook completely uncovered. Okay? So anyway, this is the meal. This is so delicious, and I have lots of greens in it, a lots of vegetable. So that's why I try to balance the meal. Sometimes I add a lot of vegetables if I know I'm eating something fatty. I think vegetables digest better in my, body. So therefore, like when you see me cooking, most of the time you'll see me putting a lot of vegetables because my body is funny if I don't eat vegetables or fiber, whatever kind of fiber. The food takes a long time to digest. So, anyway, too much information. So now I love eating my vegetables. Usually, if it's lettuce, like I can eat them without dressing. I don't have a problem eating my stuff. I'm funny. I don't really like a lot of gravy, and I don't really like a lot of dressing. I don't really like my food super wet. It's funny, if I'm drinking a soup, I'm drinking a soup, I don't mind. But I'm not a person that loves a lot of gravy, but my husband is the opposite. He really loves. So sometimes I'll make like gravy on the side for him, and then I'll just like eat mine like that. but like, everybody can be different. So, this is what I do. Like sometimes if I'm cooking, if I know the person don't like certain things, I just like skip it, or I put it on the side so they have that choice. So everybody could be happy. Anyway, this is it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Merci en pile pour tout moun ki te gade. So, anyway, mwen pa remen pile sauce nan manje. Mwen pa remen manje tro mouye. So, but, that's just like me. But if you guys want, si nou vle, nou ka mette yon paket sauce la dan. You kompren? Si ma bwe soup, ma bwe soup. Si ma bwe bouillon, ma bwe bouillon. Men gele manje mpa. Nou pa yon diktateur Chanel. Chanel, so ka fe son vle. Sa m fe se li pou nou fe. M vle pou nou kreatif, pou nou fe afe pa nou. But m jis pa yon ti ide ki jan m reme afe pam. E pi nou mem nou ka fe l jan ke nou reme. So merci, merci, merci. Just guys, remember to subscribe, share, and like. And press the notification bell. When we have something new, you'll be the first to know. Pese ti cloche la pou lè nou gon bagay nouvo pou ka konel avan tout lot moun konel. Merci pou patience ou. Mda souhaite que ou content. And Bye. Thank you for your patience. Bye.